Setting up hundreds of hotel TVs one by one, huge time drain. Here's how to program all your LG Hospitality TVs in minutes using USB cloning. First, fully configure one TV's channels, volume limits, and menu settings. Step 1. Set one TV with all your preferred hospitality settings. This will be the master TV. Step 2. Plug in the USB drive into the USB port located on the back of the TV. Step 3. Press the settings button on the remote controls. Then select General icon. Step 4. When the TV Manager's screen appears, press 9876. Then select Learn from TV TLX. Step 5. Once the cloning is complete, you can then unplug the USB from the master TV. Step 6. Repeat steps 2 and 3 on the next TV. When the TV Manager's screen appears, select Teach to TV TLX. Then press OK. Next, select the file and then press Update on the bottom of the screen. Once the cloning is complete, you can safely unplug the USB from the TV. Just like that, every TV is programmed the exact same way. If you need help sourcing or installing LG Hospitality TVs, reach out. We've got you covered. Email sales@twstransworld.com or call 800-424-8550.